English antonyms with meanings in Hindi and Urdu, part number 2. Keen, uninterested. Kind, cruel, nasty. Lack, abundance, plenty. Lady, gentleman. To land, to take off. Land, water. Large, small. Last, first. Late, early. To laugh, to cry. Lazy, active, busy. To lead, to follow. To learn, to teach. To leave, to arrive, to enter. Left, right. To lend, to borrow. Less, more. To let, to forbid. To lay, to stand. Life, death. Light, dark, heavy. To like, to hate. Liquid, solid. Little, big, large. Little, much. To live, to die. Long, short. To lose, to find, to win. Loser, winner. Loud, quiet. To love, to hate. Lovely, terrible. Low, high. To lower, to raise. Major, minor. Male, female. Man, woman. Many, few, some. Marriage, divorce. Married, divorced, single. To marry, to divorce. Master, servant. Maximum, minimum. Mean, generous. To melt, to freeze. Men, women. To mend, to break. Mess, order. Midnight, noon. Minimum, maximum. Minor, major. To miss, to hit, to catch. Moderate, extreme. modern, ancient, old. Monarchy, republic. Moon, sun. More, less. Morning, evening. Mountain, valley. Much, little. Narrow, broad, wide. Nasty, nice, pleasant. Native, foreigner, stranger. Natural, artificial. Near, distant, far. Negative, affirmative. Nephew, niece. Never, always. New, ancient, old. Nice, awful, nasty. Niece, nephew. Night, day. No, yes. Nobody, everybody. Noisy, quiet, silent. Noon, midnight. None of, all of. Normal, strange. North, south. Not yet, already. Nothing, everything. To notice, to ignore. Now, then. Occasionally, frequently. Occupied, vacant. Odd, even. Off, on. Often, seldom, sometimes. Old, modern, new, young. On, off. To open, to close, to shut. Open, closed, shut. Opponent, supporter. Order, mess. Ordinary, special. Other, same. Out, in. Outside, inside. Outskirts, center. Over, under. Parents, children. Part, whole. Partial, total. Particular, general. To pass, to fail. Past, future, present. Peace, war. To permit, to forbid. To plant, to harvest. Plenty, lack. Pleasant, awful. polite, rude, impolite. Poor, rich, wealthy. Poverty, wealth. Powerful, weak. Presence, absence. Present, past, future. Pretty, ugly. Private, public. Probably, certainly. Professional, amateur. To protect, to attack. Protection, attack. Public, private. To pull, to push. Pupil, teacher. To push, to pull. Question, answer. Quick, slow. Quiet, loud, noisy. To raise, to lower. Rainy, sunny. Rear, front. To receive, to send. To reduce, to increase. To refuse, to agree, to accept. Regret, satisfaction. To remember, to forget. To repair, to damage. To reply, to ask. Reply, question. Republic, dictatorship, monarchy. To rest, to work. Rich, poor. Right, left, wrong. To rise, to sink. Rough, gentle, smooth, soft. Rude, polite. Rural, urban. Sad, happy. Sadness, happiness. Safe, dangerous. Safety, danger. Same, similar, different. Satisfaction, dissatisfaction. To satisfy, to dissatisfy. To save, to spend, to waste. To scream, to whisper. Security, danger. Seldom, often. To sell, to buy. To send, to receive. To sit, to stand. Senior, junior. To separate, to connect, to unite. Serious, funny. Servant, master. To set free, to arrest. Shallow, deep. Sharp, blunt. Shelter, exposure. Short, long, tall. To shout, to whisper. To shut, to open. Sick, healthy. Silent, noisy. Silly, stupid, intelligent. Simple, complicated. To sink, to rise. Single, married. Sister, brother. Slim, fat. Slow, fast, quick. Small, big, large, tall. Smooth, rough. Soft, hard or rough. Solid, liquid. Sober, colorful, cheerful. Some, many. Son, daughter. Soul, body. Sour, sweet. South, north. Special, general, ordinary. Spring, autumn. To stand, to sit. To start, to stop. Start, finish, and stop. To stop, to start, to go. To stand, to lie. Strange, normal. Strict, tolerant, indulgent. Strong, weak. Student, teacher. Stupid, clever, intelligent. Suburb, center. To succeed, to fail. Success, failure. To subtract, to add. Sugar, salt. Summer, winter. Sun, moon. Sunny, cloudy, rainy. Supporter, opponent. To suspect, to trust. Sweet, bitter, sour. Synonym, antonym. To take, to give. To take off, to land. Tall, small, short. To teach, to learn. Teacher, pupil, student. Thankful, thankless. Terrible, lovely. There, here. Then, now. Thin, thick, fat. To throw, to catch. Tight, loose. Tiny, huge. Together, apart. Tomorrow, yesterday. Top, bottom. Total, partial. Town, village. Tragedy, comedy. Trivial of trivial, important. To trust, to suspect. Ugliness, beauty. ugly, beautiful, handsome, pretty. Under, over. To unite, to divide, to separate. Unity, division. Up, down. Upstairs, downstairs. Urban, rural. Urgent, leisurely. Useless, useful. Vacant, occupied. Valley, mountain. Vertical, horizontal. Victory, defeat. Village, town. Violent, gentle. Visitor, host. Voluntary, compulsory. Vowel, consonant. War, peace. Warm, cool. To waste, to save. Water, land. Weak, powerful, strong. Wealth, poverty. Wealthy, poor. Wedding, divorce. Well, ill. West, east. Wet, dry. To whisper, to scream, to shout. White, black. Whole, part. Wide, narrow. Wife, husband. To win, to lose. Winner, loser. Winter, summer. To work, to rest. Woman, man. Women, men. Worse, better. Worst, best. Wrong, correct, right. Yes, no. Yesterday, tomorrow. Young, old.